A right circular cone with 3.6 centimeter height. Say this is 3.6 centimeter. And radius 1. Melted. So you know how to melt it. It's melted and recast. It is remade into a right circular cone with the radius of its base is 1.2. This radius is 1.2 centimeter. Find the height of this one. This height is a question mark. See, the concept that we have to apply here is if it has been melted and recast into another cone, so whatever the volume of this cone would be the same as the volume for the other cone. So how to find the volume of the first cones? We know the formula is 1 upon 3. What is the formula? Is 1 upon 3, okay, pi r square h. Since this is one cone, the another cone, they have got different radii and the heights. I'll take the radius as r1 and height as h1. Here the radius will be r2 and height will be fine. So we will use this formula r1 square into h1 should be equal to, I wrote it pi there by mistake, is 1 upon 3, sorry, 1 upon 3 pi r2 square, okay, h2. Now why I did that? See, because okay, you may have to write in the beginning the volume of the first cone, say cone A and the cone B would be the same. So this is cone 1 and this is cone 2. So volume of cone 1 is equal to volume of cone 2. Okay. And this is the formula. So 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 get cancelled. Pi will get cancelled. It's very easy to solve in this manner, right? Then what is R1? 1.6 square. H1 3.6 is equal to R2 1.2 square. H2 is a question mark. So will it not become here 1.6, okay, square into 3.6 divided by 1.2 square is equal to H2? Yes, we can write it. So I see these two both are in squares. I can write here 3.6 into 1.6 upon 1.2 whole square. It's not a problem. H2, this is H2. So that will give you how much? If I solve that further, it would be 3.6 into 1.6. If you divide this, it will become what? Why I did though? Because I can remove the one decimal, I can remove the one decimal. Become here 16 upon 12 the whole square. Further solve it, it will be H2 is 3.6 into, okay, 16. Can we cancel it? Yes, we can cancel inside it. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 4 3 are 12, 4 4s are 16. So it will become 4 square, right? 4 upon 3 the whole square. So that is equal to 3.6 can be written as 36 upon 10 into 4 into 4 upon 3 into 3. It will go exactly 4 times. Is that okay? So we get how much? 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. upon 10, so that is equal to 6.4 centimeter, and this is the height here. What is the height? 6.4 centimeter, and this is the answer that we have here. Okay, so remember, we have to solve it in a manner that yes, it saves a lot of time for us. We can directly say that volume of the first cone should be equal to volume of the second cone. Put the formula, reduce the formula to the minimum, then only you substitute the value. It will give you the it will take the shortest possible time for you. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time calculating this separately. Okay.